Today we're unboxing my brand new Bissell Crosswave X7 Cordless Pet Pro All-in-One Multi-Surface Cleaner. Yay! Right, inside the top of the box, looks like right away is the docking station in plastic. A couple of chargers and a place for some things, I'm not sure what. Take out this packaging. Here's a brush. There's some more packaging. We got the vacuum, and here's some more brushes. Not sure what those are for yet, but ooh, this one has like prickly things. Like these are stiff prickles, and then this is soft. Oh, these ones have the stiff prickles in it too. So I was reading what they give you in the box, and they gave us this interesting looking contraption that says clean out brush. So I guess you clean it. And then these two kinds are the pet multi-surface brush roll. This is the multi-surface brush roll, and this is the wood floor brush roll. Okay. Big vacuum. We have filter. Lots of things. Okay, so looks like 4 bottles. Wood floor, clean and natural pet, hard floor, sanitize, and multi-surface Febreze. Here's the handle. Here's the plug. And there's a booklet of some kind. Oops. And a box that says accessory toolbox. Alright, I'm gonna start by taking this out of the plastic. There's a little handle on the back here. And I'm gonna look for like a quick start guide. Oh, here, quick start guide, perfect. Insert handle into body. Okay, so that must be this. So it's triangle shaped, and there's a triangle shaped hole here, so you really can't mess it up, it looks like. I mean, theoretically speaking. Oh, there. Oh, okay. Yeah, and it just snaps in. Number 2, insert the charging adapter plug into the bottom of the 3-in-1 docking station. So I'm going to twirl this little deal jig. And then if you flip this over, it shows, must be that right there. So plug that in. So number 2 says we have to insert the charging adapter into this. So this is actually, so this is the bottom of the charge port. And this is actually cool because you plug this in here, and the cord can either go this way or it can go this way, depending on where you're going to plug it in. And it has this little track that you can push it in, and it goes out there so that the thing can still sit flat on the floor and the cord can go out. Next, plug into a wall outlet and place the machine into the docking station to charge. Okay. Here. And then, so you can see the little gold thingies, have to touch those gold thingies, I guess. Oh, it beeped. Battery. Oh, remove before use. Okay. Oh, okay. So Wi-Fi, battery, area rug, hard floor, turbo pet mode, clean water tank empty, clean out cycle, dirty water tank full. Okay. Go. So the rest of this quick start guide is how to clean the floor, after you clean the floor, yada yada. So I'm going to let this charge, and in the next video we will show you how to actually use it. So thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you feed them, they will come.